Welcome back, everyone. Once again, I am back in one of Thailand's most visited beach destinations, Jomtien Beach. In this video, you're going to see part 1 of a 2-part series where I showcase the roads and alleyways of Jomtien Beach on a warm afternoon in December as I'm cruising the streets on a motorbike. So let's head down to the streets. Take it away, Floyd.
Well, hello there. Welcome to Jomtien Beach. Since I had such a positive response to my last video, my morning stroll along Jomtien Beach, I thought I'd treat you guys to some more. However, in this video, I'm going to be on a motorbike, and we're going to start at the very north end of Jomtien Beach, and we're going to cruise all the way down into Na Jomtien. It's going to be about 5 or 6 kilometers, so we'll be able to cover a lot more ground in a short period of time here in my Honda Click. All right, are you ready? Let's go see Jomtien Beach. All right, now we're back on the road here. We're going to hang a left down to Praia Road here and head down towards Beach Road. Squeeze on through the traffic up ahead here. Watch out for the pinch points. Oh, this don't look good. We are through. 1, 2. We're able to make a left, I think. Yep, follow the truck. Watch out for the pedestrian. I got him beat. Okay. And on their way down to Praia Road here. Sun setting off in the distance. Alright, so now that we're on the road here, a couple things to keep in mind is make sure that you have the proper licenses to drive in Thailand. And a couple of roadworthy notes is make sure your mirrors are all lined up and that you're checking your mirrors quite frequently. You're going to see today during the trip that knowing your surroundings is very important here, as you're going to see bikes and cars passing me on the inside and outside and both sides. So down to Praia at the end here, there's quite a few little bars and places to hang out. A good pool hall down here that has Wednesday night pool league, which I'm going to be participating in shortly. All right, and here we are turning down onto Beach Road, Jomtien. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon right now, and the sun is slowly starting to set. People are slowly starting to come outside now. The temperature is cooling off as the hot temperature of the afternoon sun is waning. Watch out for cyclists. Alright, so we're just going by Soi 1, 2, and 3 up ahead here on the left. A very popular spot here. You're going to see lots of restaurants, and every Soi's got the same pubs, bars, and restaurants, and hotels, and hostels, and places to stay that are close and convenient to the beach. We got an event going on here this weekend. It's a youth event, a youth and arts event. You'll probably see the signs as we go along. Last weekend we had the Water Jet World Cup event, and boy, the weekend before that in Pattaya was the Jazz Festival. The weekend before that was the International Fireworks Festival. This place has been hopping. We're at Soi 7 here, and maybe at the end of this video we'll take a cruise down Soi 7. That's a popular little spot. A lot of beachside restaurants and pubs here. You can see some shops too where you can get some souvenirs, towels, hats. Of course, there's your convenience stores, Tops and 7-Elevens. Silver Sand Villa on the left here. Okay, we got a parked car we better be paying attention to here. As you're going to see here in Jomtien at the moment, we've got quite a bit of construction going on. Earlier this year in March, they switched Jomtien Beach Road from a 2-way to a 1-way road, which, as you may see, doesn't stop all the vehicles from still going the other way on this road. Oh, we're going to see what's going on here. Okay. Alright, we're caught up behind a bad bus. That's somebody coming the other way already. You got to watch out for pedestrians and parked vehicles, but we're going to get ahead of the bat bus and just create ourselves a bit of room here. Always check on your mirrors, knowing your whereabouts. I can see the construction going on over there. They're putting some 8-foot diameter storm drains in for when it rains in the heavy season, that the water doesn't wash up on Beach Road here and then eventually wash out the sand on the beach, make a river down to the sea. Quite a few 7-Elevens down here. We're right about almost the midway point here. In Jomtien. We are coming up past the night market here. As you can see, some parasailers out in the water. The water's calm. The night market is just starting to open up. A few people getting some food, but it really doesn't get going until after dark. As on the left here is the Copacabana. Show you some highlights of the Copacabana. I got to stay there one night. Unfortunately, the 59th floor infinity pool was closed the day that I was there. Up on the left, the Wombat and Kiwi bar, where I spend a lot of time having breakfast, and I watched some fights and UFC fights and Super Bowl there. A couple of great bars and restaurants along this area here. Now we're getting into the southern end of Jomtien. As you can see way up ahead in the distance, there's some high rises, and we're gonna make our way all the way down there. Well, some people still like their big bikes and loud noises. Speed limit 60 kilometers here, so you don't really need a big powerful bike to get down Beach Road here. Alright, now it's opening up a little bit. I do see we got some cars approaching on the rear here. I'll keep my eyes peeled. What's going on? We've got another pinch point coming up. Busy area. This is the pier where they dock the boats and pull the boats out of the water. Boat launch, I guess that's what we're going to call it. Right there. A few boats out of the water today. Restaurants on the side. Okay, now we're at Bun Kanchana, where you can head back towards Second Road, another major road. Maybe at the end of this video, after Soi 7, I'll maybe take a cruise up Bun Kanchana. As you can see, the beach umbrella. As you can see, the beach umbrellas are still out in the sun here now. Still quite a few people out on the beach enjoying some late afternoon sun. We have a temple on the left here. I'm not sure what the name of that temple is, but I see people going in and out of there every day. On the left is Soi Welcome, a very popular hangout where there's a lot of hotels, hostels, and restaurants. And Soi Welcome 2. Yaimak Market on the left here. Very popular night market as well for food. Not as big as the Jomtien night market, but this big old empty beach here on the left is where I hang out quite often because it's quite wide and open, and there's not a lot of people there normally. This past weekend is where the giant water jet World Cup was held, and they had dozens of tents and teams to keep shade for the spectators, stands. It's quite an event, and a few days later the beach is empty again. More construction down here on this southern end of Beach Road. More 7-Elevens, laundry, massage. The Devari Hotel is quite a popular big hotel here, prominent on the beach here in Jomtien. Live music in the evenings. All right, up ahead here is traffic lights at where the road turns from a one-way back into two-way again. Chayapruak Road is what road is on the left here, as well a major road if you want to head back to Second Road, and also where the bat buses turn left here to head to Pattaya. All right, so now we're heading down into the Na Jomtien area, and we're going to have to keep in mind that it is two-way. We got some loud music going there, big party going on. This is the fisherman's village. This is where in the morning all the fishing boats come and drop off their wares, and all the restaurants and local people come and pick up their fresh seafood right here in this section. Still some vacant lots here on the beach here. I don't know what the plan is. Hopefully somebody's going to be developing that into something useful soon. Get some fresh squid here from these folks. And as you can see down here, such a cool, relaxed vibe. Lots of palm trees, shade down here. This really is a cool spot. And if you can imagine that Pattaya is, just about 8 kilometers north of here, a big party town with lots of action, lots of noise here, where you can just chill out, walk the beach at night. Dogs live in the neighborhood. Another 7-Eleven on the left there. You can count on usually a 7-Eleven or a Tops Grocery. At least every other block or every couple hundred meters, you're going to find one or the other or both. Down here again, some quiet little umbrella beach spots under some palm trees where you can chill out. Wow, some action going on there. I'm not sure what kind of construction. Watch out for pedestrians and Harley Davidsons. Way down here, there's also some really nice resorts that the resorts down here are a little bit expensive, high price resorts, but the luxury level is way up there as well. All the squid vendors here on the side of the road. Got some volleyball going on down here in the afternoon. It's too hot in the midday, but late in the afternoon here the volleyball starts up. Gotta watch out for oncoming traffic here. And I do have vehicles behind me and in front of me, so Alright, so now we're on to Na Jomtien, and there's a really cool beachside sand floor restaurant just on my left back there. Wow, we got a big development going on up here. There's a few cranes, a lot of concrete going in here. A lot of street food vendors here. There must be a lot of workers come and eat lunch here during the day. Another Tops convenience store. And as you can see way down here in the end of Jomtien, it's really open and quiet. And if you don't want to deal with umbrellas, or you don't want to, just want a place to throw your beach mat out or your towel to chill, man, this is the spot to go. Look at this out here. Just gonna go down here a little bit further, and then we'll pull over and check it out. Some workers going home here. The old Na Jomtien beach sign. People getting some selfies there this evening. People waving. Oh man, this is peaceful down here. Like Pattaya is super busy, and then Jomtien, you know, it's busy too, but it's a notch down from Pattaya City. But once you get to here to Jomtien, man, it even goes down to the next level of chill. And I think you're kind of sensing that vibe here too right now. Still the BAT buses go north and south up along the road here, Beach Road. 10 baht will get you all the way into town, and 20 baht if you're going to be heading from here all the way into Pattaya City. But what a cool evening here. The weather's been fantastic here lately. It's a week before Christmas, so we're pretty much at the winter solstice, the shortest day of the year, the longest night, and as well the cool season here in Thailand. It is surprisingly cool in the mornings here. The temperatures are really comfortable, like 23, 22, 21 degrees some mornings, and with highs in the afternoon getting up to maybe maximum of 30. It's really enjoyable temperature right now, and it can be much, and I know it's going to be much hotter as the months progress, with April being the hottest. All right, we are at Jomtien Beach, so let's go out quickly here and have a look. As you can see, the beach still stretches on for another, half a kilometer down to the south, and then even further down there you can see down into Bang Saray. But way up north, you can see about 5 kilometers is where we started, way up there by that the Jomtien Tower there at Aqualand. It's about 6 kilometers to where we are that we've just covered. So that's it. What a spot here. Like late afternoon, come bring your beach blanket or your towel right here. Just chill out and watch the sunset. You got no vendors, nobody hassling you. And look, if you owned one of these condos right next here, look at that, the beautiful sunsets you're going to get from the view from these balconies. Fantastic. I live in a wonderful place. I live in Jomtien. This is it. Hey, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching again. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And remember, wherever you are and wherever you go, go with the flow.